Hello my peeps, Justino2 here with my third ever hockey card box break video. Today I will be opening the new 16-17 MVP. Now this MVP is a bit different from the previous couple years. Usually in the other years you get like an autograph or a jersey, a box. This year you don't. And instead of 24 packs, you only get 20. Good rookies so far, like Pavel Zacha, Nick Paul, Ryan Pulock, Oliver Killington, Anthony Mantha, and of course, currently the most sought-after rookie from this year, William Nylander. So, without further ado, pack number 1. Now, cards over 200 are considered short prints this year, so they're hits. These are what the base commons look like this year. Not bad. And our first rookie will be Josh Morrissey, who I already have. We also have puzzle pieces in this year's MVP, which this one looks like I want to say Carey Price, actually. That's also a hit. And did we get a card number 200 or more? No, we did not. The rest is base. Second pack. Over here, we got a silver script. James Van Riemsdyk, which is actually a short print silver script because it's over 200 there. So mind you, the silver scripts this year are kind of hard to see, actually. And I'll just see if there's anything we're missing here. Oh, short print of Kyle Okposo. I'll just put that there, and the rest is base. Hoping for the Montreal goalie Charlie Lindgren rookie card in this box. Maybe a redemption. So over here we have a rookie of Steven Santini, who never really heard of him. We also have a puzzle card of, I believe it was Colin Wilson, and this one's of, I believe, Henrik Lundqvist, actually. And is there anything else in this pack? Rest is base. Alright, pack number 4. We'll have a silver scripts of Justin Falk. Let's go there. And short print card of Alex Ovechkin. So, as for what I've seen in a box, you get 5 regular rookies and then 1 rookie parallel. So, you have at least 3 more base rookies to get. So, in this pack, we have Mike Smith puzzle of Claude Giroux. We also have a leading lights insert of Ryan O'Reilly, which I should note that even the inserts continue the base series in this set. So that's different. And do we have an SP? Yes. Bobby Hull is our short print. Alright, next pack. Love to get an auto on this here. I got an auto last year of Tobias Ryder. It's actually a nice card. So we have puzzle piece Alex Steen of Sean Monahan. We have a level 3 gold colors of contours of Dion Phaneuf. I'll put that there. We also have a Dion Phaneuf base card right behind that. I believe we get a short print. Yes, we did, of Al MacInnis. And that will be in that pack. Looking forward I always love MVP and OPC, usually, you know, because the first products of the new year, so you get to see the new rookie class. We have a silver script of Riley Smith. I love how they added the new Florida Panthers logo on the back. And did we get a short print this pack? Yes, we did, of Henrik Zetterberg. That'll be in that pack. We'll up that #1 draft pick of Austin Matthews. Actually, you know what redemption I want? The Atlantic Division. That's where you get Austin Matthews' true rookie card. And we get another Colors and Contours die cut card, level 1 teal of Alex Tanguay. And did we get a short print card? Yes, we did. We got Jaromir Jagr. Fix those base cards fast so they don't topple over on me. Alright, we have our next base rookie of Mark McNeil, right winger for the Chicago Blackhawks. We have a puzzle piece of Jake Allen. And judging by the lettering, the CH, and it'll be Jonathan Toews. And is there a short print? Not in this pack. Continuing on here. I'm going to try and hopefully speed things up here. Silver script of Shane Doan. Short print of Chris Letang. Almost done one of these two stacks here. We got a puzzle piece, Braden Holtby, and I believe it's of, I want to say Zdeno Chara. No, it's Zdeno Chara's, I believe, captain, so it would be Patrice Bergeron. And drop a few base cards here in short prints. Yep, short print of Zach Parise. Yeah, I don't know if you get anything for completing the puzzles at all. Just something I should look into. So we got silver script of Brian Gionta. Colors and Contours, level 1 gold of Valerie Nikushkin. And short print of Morgan Riley. Almost done here. So we got Ryan Strome puzzle piece of Sidney Crosby. NHL Territories insert of Bo Horvat. And short print of Jack Eichel. First year common. I don't know how many packs you have left after this. Let's see. Here we have a silver script of Thomas Tatar. And a short print of Daniel Sedin. Wait, where did I just put that Sedin? Did I leave it in the back? Yeah, I left it in the... for the base cards. So we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs to go. Still missing 2 base rookies and 1 rookie parallel unless I get 3 base rookies, right? So we have a puzzle piece of Braden Shen of Patrick Kane. We got a rookie parallel, level 3 teal of Oliver Killington. Not a true rookie card. And we got the checklist card, actually, which is Connor McDavid. That's that. So, I'm going to say there's 2 more rookie cards. Both of them will be base since we have a rookie parallel, so. Alright, continuing on here, we have Colors are Tours, level 1 purple of Evander Kane. I believe the purples are the hardest to get, especially level 3s. Because there's 3 levels. Teal, golden, and purple. Short print of Max Pacioretty. And that will be in that pack. Alright. 4 packs to go. Nothing too super yet. We have a puzzle piece of Derek Stepan, or Stepan, whatever, of Jack Eichel. And a short print of Gabriel Landeskog. Alright, third last pack. We got silver script of Seth Jones. An NHL Territories card of Adam Henrique. Though, mind you, the NHL Territories card looks a lot nicer than it did last year. Last year's I actually got the NHL Territories Tobias Ryder auto. And short print Pavel Datsyuk with the Detroit Red Wings. Even though he is owned by the Arizona Coyotes and he's playing the KHL. So if all things comes to right, we should get our 2 base rookie cards in these 2 last packs. Yep. Ooh, we got rookie of Pavel Zacha. That's a good one. Healed again. We actually got 3 hits in this box pack, actually. We got Jake Muzzin puzzle piece of Carey Price. And we also got a superscript of 25 of Mike Hoffman. Yeah, it looks 22 out of 25. Not bad of a hit. And did we get a short print card? No, we did not. Actually, what number? Base number? Hoffman's base number 48. So, and this pack should have our last rookie. No, it is not. We got Stiff the rookie, I think. We got a silver script of Matt Duchene. But no more rookies. It's usually 5 rookies in 1 parallel box. Short print of Blake Wheeler. I'm going to double check here. We opened all our packs and it looks like we did. What is this? Double checking. Yeah, that's actually weird. Rookies. Do they have odds on rookies on here? NHL Territories, yeah. 2 a box. Leading Lights, 1 a box. Base set parallels, yeah. No odds on the rookies. What I see is it's been 5 rookies in 1 parallel. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 base rookies. 1 rookie parallel. Weird. Scroll through here fast, make sure we didn't miss anything. But I guess that'll be all for now, my peeps. Yeah, I got shafted a rookie. I'm not going to complain too much about it. We did get Pavel Zacha, so that's a win. If you guys haven't already, check out some other videos too. Planning on doing some more box breaks videos this year of other NHL products. Subscribe to me on Twitter, like, comment what you want to see, and check out my giveaway on my main channel, Jusino2YT, giving away a copy of NHL 17 for Xbox One or PS4, winner's choice. But for now, take care, my peeps.